How to set up an Instagram account for your business. We're going to do a step-by-step guide. I'm using an Android. You could do exactly the same on your iPad or iPhone. So what we want to do is go to the Instagram icon. I'm going to go to the top here where we've got the page name. I want to add an Instagram account. Log into existing. No, I want to create a new one. It's come up with a random name. Certainly don't want that. I'm just going to do them in lowercase so it's easier. This is a restaurant name. Ideally, I'd like a shorter one. I've checked on other platforms and like the Facebook page and YouTube and that. I want them all the same. The one I want is already been taken. So I'm going to go with this. This is ideally, if you can keep it short as possible. Avoid complicated characters. So if you've got to explain this to somebody on a phone or if you're on a podcast, if it sounds complicated, then it's going to be hard for them to find it. Allow and continue. Not allowed. I want a new login for this one. I've got it on screen in front of me. Yeah, that looks okay. And let's log in. So next. Enter your birthday. I would strongly recommend you use a real birthday. If there's ever a challenge on this account, the owner's got to potentially show some evidence of that. And it would be easier if you've got ID that matches what you've just said. Sign up with email. I'm going to use an email. We're going to go. Notice now, once you've set up your account, are you starting a new business or are you linking an existing business to it? Just let us know in the comments what you plan to use your new account for. It's always helpful to know. I'm also going to be doing videos on how to link this up to your Facebook page. And if you're going to do ads, how you can actually create a post, then run the ads through one interface. So if that's going to be useful, don't forget to tap subscribe. Now it's asking for the confirmation code. I've got the email on the screen. In this case, it's 357 496. Yes, I agree to the terms and conditions. So as that's going through, that's the account. I'm just going to make sure it goes through. But that's basically how you set up the account. There is going to be other elements you're going to need to do. Is the icon or your logo. This company, I need to redesign it so it fits better, and a bit of a bio, and then possibly add links. So either like a link tree or stuff like that. I'm going to do this. Let's see if I don't think I've got the element.
A little longer than a few minutes
While I'm
later.
here, I may as well put the icon on and a bit of a bio. I've reconfigured the logo so it will fit in. So let's go to the profile, edit profile. Let's change the profile picture. Choose from library. I'm hoping it's downloaded it. Yeah, that's one we've gone. So the logo was wide. I've just tilted it and added their icons top and bottom so it fits in quite nicely around. So I'll select that. That's loading. We'll edit profile. Name. What I may as well do is here. They're an Italian restaurant. So if I uppercase I-T, Harbor, I'll see how that tracks. I'm not keyword stuffed an Instagram title before. Name. Let's see if that fits. Are you sure you want to change your name? Okay. Change my name. Are you sure you want to change your name? Add links, external link. We'll go with their web address, which I believe is a .com. Let me bring that back down to https://www.BUOM. I'm going to OK that. WhatsApp, I'm not going to link external links. So I think I'm done here. I'll go with Harborne first. I may add Birmingham to this at a later date. Change names. Username stays the same. Bio. It's the bio, which is, well, okay, that. Obviously, we're restricted to how many characters we can fit in the bio. I will look at setting up threads on that. So here we've put the icon. We've changed the name. Here we've added a couple of keywords. So Italian restaurant Harborne, which is where they're located in a district in Birmingham in the UK. Links, we've added one link. Save profile. Show switch to a professional. So that means we're on a business. That should be fine. You have unsaved. Are you sure you wish to cancel? Yes. I don't know why I'm losing that. So the logo's there. The profile's there. The name's there. So I don't know what was popping up. Not what seems to be all that. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can make posts. I generally use the laptop, so I'll either go on the phone. But how to make posts, I'm also going to link this to Facebook, so you can actually, when you post on Instagram and or Facebook, you can do it from one place, scheduling it. And again, I'm using the desktop to do that. So I'll see you in that video.